Are you nutty enough to boost your health with just a handful of almonds? Stick around to find out why you should be. Right, let's get cracking. Almonds, those little powerhouses, are packed with nutrients. Just a small handful a day can give you a massive health boost. We're talking heart health, brain power, and even weight management. First off, they're loaded with vitamin E, a top antioxidant that keeps your skin looking fresh and young. Plus, they're brimming with healthy fats that can lower bad cholesterol. And get this, almonds are great for your brain, and munching on them can actually help improve memory. Perfect excuse for a snack during study time, right? But wait, there's more. Almonds can help you manage your weight. They're high in protein and fiber, keeping you full and satisfied, so you're less likely to reach for that sneaky chocolate bar. So, what are you waiting for? Grab a handful of almonds and make it your new daily habit. Your body will thank you. Cheers for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more health tips.
Subscribe to Nourish Nest.